Let's create a simple logo using a free account and following the process without jumping in and using the pro version side of Canva. So Ebenezer, I hear you. I see you're frustrated. I'm going to go step by step. I'm going to try to be slow and see if I can help you and everybody else in the community. So you're going to land on Canva. I'm using my free account. You're going to go to create a blank canvas logo. Once the canvas is open, you're going to make it a little bit big, and you're going to go to elements and you're going to go lines and shapes, and we want a square. Click on it once, you change color, you make it a bright pink. You duplicate the design, you make that one white so that it goes inside the other square. You're then going to highlight your design like that, group it, and then duplicate the design so that you have a separate square. What then you do, click at the corner of the second color, make that a different color, like a nice bright blue. Then you're going to press T for text, and you're going to add a nice text on your design. Let's use that Edco Brookshire, it's a free. Change color of that one and make it a nice bright yellow, and then we press T for text, we add the slogan. We change color and we make it a nice bright pink. Just a simple logo design. Once you're happy, you don't have Canva Pro, you're gonna go File, you're gonna click on Download. You're gonna download it not as a transparent, just as a normal PNG, and you click on Download. And then you jump into remove.bg, you drag your design that you've loaded. If you can't find it, like I can find it on my file here, you're gonna go upload image, and then you're gonna go find it on your downloads. And then remove.bg removes the white boxes as well. And we're happy, we're going to click on download, and then it would download. Then we're going to jump in on Photopea. Then on Photopea, we're going to go open from computer, because we're going to use a file that we've downloaded from unblast.com. We're going to click on the PSD file to open our mockup, and it opens up like this. So then you're going to click where it says your logo here on the checkered box. You double click on there, and then the designer shows you where your logo should be going. You click on the eye to hide their guidance, and then you click and you drag your 2D logo that was removed BG just now. If you can't find it at the bottom of the page like mine, you're going to go File, Open and Place, and then you're going to go to your downloads that you were just working on, and you're going to open and load the design. You click and you hold and you drag so that it sizes it nicely for you. You move it until you see the red lines, then you're happy that it's centered. Then you're going to go File, Save as Smart Object. If you can't see Save it as Smart Object, that means you don't have a file to be saved as a smart object. Once it's saved as smart object, you're going to click back where it says freebie simple to go back to your PSD file, and you wait. There you go, your 3D logo, nicely done, quick and easy from Canva, and it's a free one. You're going to go File, Export as a PNG or whichever format that you want, and please reduce the width, because that makes the file pixelate. So you make it a little bit smaller so that it doesn't pixelate so much and it looks nice and crisp. Then you click on Save, and there's your beautiful logo done and dusted. You could now watch that video of how to download a PSD file using unblast.com. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next video.